Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. Let's make this delicious, tasty waffle cake. This is a quick and easy recipe. Here I have 1 cake mix, 3 eggs, half cup of oil, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg. I'm removing the eyes from the eggs. Yes, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and whisk the eggs, add the oil and the water, add the cinnamon and the nutmeg to the cake mix, then add it to the wet mixture. Now I'm mixing everything, get everything incorporated. I'm gonna spray my waffle maker after it's heated up. Now I'm adding the mixture, making sure it's not too full because I don't want it to float over and make a mess. And I leave it for like about 20 seconds before I cover it. So this is a quick and easy recipe. So now I'm gonna have the waffles cool. Then I'm gonna put the frosting on. I'm putting on the frosting and I'm using chocolate. Yes, and vanilla frosting. Top it off with some cherry. There you have it, my lovely people. My waffle cake is ready. Done by Sister J. Yes, look at it. Quick and easy. No oven, no problem. Just grab your waffle maker and make your cake. In less than 20 minutes, you have your cake. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good. Walk good. Pray good. One love. Bless of yourself. Yeah, man. Yummy, yummy.